you. Thought you might be Simon. Don't tell him I smoke, by the way. It's a nasty habit.
Something troubling you, Rose?
Just got it in my head today that I can't stand anyone anymore. And the night before I'm to marry your brother, I'm going to run away, drown myself in a river. And then he'll always think of me romantically.
It would be a terrible way to go. Your lungs would fill up, and your face would bloat.
I'm issuing a cry for help here, Neil. And you're being terribly glib about it all.
What would you have me say? Don't marry him. Pick me. Pick us.
It's no use. I'm not brave like you are. I'm going to dash it all and be a miserably stoic bride. And then Cassandra will write about me, and it will all be terribly romantic.
Damn it, Rose, this isn't a novel. I want you in real life. Don't you think that's worth trying to be brave?
Perfect, fantastic, wonderful. We're just gonna go one more time.
Well, it looks like we don't have any projects coming up with each other for a while.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
It's weird. 4 projects back to back. I feel like we've known each other for centuries.
You know, we could always hang out after the wrap. If you'd like to. Because I would like to. But, you know,
I would like to. Cool beans.